If you're not using this skeleton trend to make money on YouTube Shorts, you're literally ignoring free money. Brand new channels are getting millions of views. No face, no editing skills, no paid tools. And today, I'll show you how to make these viral skeleton educational shorts using 100% free AI tools. Watch carefully. Don't skip. This can actually pay you. Let's go. Step 1. Get prompts, ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. Go to Apps. Click GPTs. Search Skeleton Shorts. Click Start Chat. Now type your topic. Example, what happens if you take protein powder for 30 days? It will generate multiple cinematic skeleton prompts. Copy the first prompt. Done. Step 2. Create images, Wisk AI, free. Now open Wisk AI. Click Text to Image. Paste the prompt. Very important. Upload a skeleton reference image. You'll find free skeleton images in my Telegram link in the description. Now set aspect ratio 9:16. Resolution highest free option. Images 1 or 2. Click Generate. Download the result. Repeat this for every prompt ChatGPT gave you. Now you have a full skeleton story in images. Step 3. Animate images, Flow AI, free. Go to Flow AI. Click Image to Video. Upload one image. In the motion prompt box, describe movement. For this, type Skeleton Shorts, give me video prompts with dialogues and voiceovers in ChatGPT, and it will give you amazing prompts for your image to video generation. Set duration 4 to 5 seconds. Turn audio off. Click Generate. Repeat for all images. Now your skeleton is alive. Congratulations, you are officially directing a dead actor. Step 4. Voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT. Ask it to write a short educational script for your topic. Copy it. Paste into your AI voice tool. Generate voice. Keep it fast-paced. Final step, combine. Use any free editor. Add clips in order. Add voiceover. Add subtitles. Export as 9:16. Upload to YouTube Shorts. That's it. Free tools, zero excuses, massive potential. If you want to make money with shorts, start now because the skeleton trend won't wait for you. Like, subscribe, and let's build faceless income.
What happens if you take protein powder every day for 30 days? Let's find out. Week 1. Nothing crazy, it's just protein, no magic. But if you train hard, you might recover faster and feel stronger. By week 3 or 4, you could see strength gains if your workouts and calories are on point. Too much? You might feel bloated, especially if you're lactose intolerant. After 30 days, protein powder isn't magic. It's just a convenient tool. Train hard. Eat right. That's what really builds muscle.